Okay, so the next topic we're going to cover is how to enter hits and errors on the hits and errors line on the scoreboard. It's a little difficult to see here, but you can see that if you just hit the hit button, there will be an H that lights up. If you hit it again, it'll clear. If you hit an error button, the E will light up under the error column, but it's not automatically logging as a hit or an error in the permanent column underneath it. So this is how you go about doing that. So let's say we're now in the bottom of the second, and let's say that La Cañada gets a hit. We go to the home column and you hit set and then hit and then 1, and you can see now it's indicating a hit, and there is a 1 on the La Cañada line for hits. I think you can see that out there. Now what's a little confusing, just add it to the list of confusing things with this score system, is now, let's say the next guy gets up, we hit reset, now we're back up, it's the next batter, and it's a ball, then a strike, then another strike, and let's just say at that point in time that the hitter for La Cañada gets another base hit. And so now again we go to set, we have to go to home hit, but at this point in time, if we want to add that second hit, we have to hit the number 2, and it doesn't add 2, which it usually does in other functions of this system. It just turned the hit column for La Cañada from 1 to 2. If the next batter on the first pitch gets another hit, we would hit set, go to home hit, and now it says that there are 2 hits. We need to add a hit, so now we have had 2 hits, now we have 3 hits, and you can see out in the scoreboard what was 2 hits in the hit column is now 3 hits in the hit column. Let's now assume that the team we're playing commits an error. Similar thing, although the error would be in the visiting team's column. Since it's an error committed by the visiting team, we hit set, guest, error, and you can see it's now showing error in the upper right hand box that the scorekeeper determined that to be an error. And now we have to go to the 1, and you can see that it's showing an error, and then now on the error column under the guest team is showing an error. And then you just hit reset, and then you're ready to go to the next batter. Okay, so that's how you enter hits and errors. And if you want to not just show the H and the E on the scoreboard, but you want to keep that running tally of how many hits or how many errors each team has, you have to do set, home hit or guest hit, and then move to adding, put the total number down for the hits or errors. Okay, so we'll move on now to what happens if you make a mistake and how to correct it.